about anti-aging skincare says we all need, and that is retinol. You got to have it in your regimen. QVC customers have come back and said they love the Neutrogena Dermatologics anti-aging treatment. In fact, what you're seeing right here is a Customer Choice Beauty Award winner for Best Anti-Aging Treatment in 2011, and we've got some of the best. So when you're looking at this first ever Today's Special Value from Neutrogena Dermatologics that's found just here at QVC, not only are you getting that concentrated retinol serum, Customer Choice Beauty Award winner, and 175,000 people loved it. And those people, of course, all went to QVC.com and got that for $79 alone. But having traveled to France years ago to learn about skincare, and a very famous person said to me, her neck and her hands and her décolleté are going to give away her age. We also add the best-selling and beloved hand, neck, and décolleté cream, which that alone is $77 at QVC.com. So basically, for just a little bit more than one of the items that's loved here at QVC and only here at QVC, you've got today's special value for $33.32 a month on Easy Pay, and over 10,000 of these have been ordered. Dr. Will Kirby is joining us. And Dr. Kirby, it is such a pleasure to congratulate you on your first ever Today's Special Value.
I'm so excited. I haven't slept in almost 24 hours, and I'm not the slightest bit tired because I'm so excited to be here.
And you know what? I always say, you want to know why I should try Neutrogena Dermatologics? Take a look at Dr. Will Kirby's fabulous skin. He is, of course, board-certified dermatologist with an thriving private practice in Beverly Hills. Not only all of the celebrities and not only the people that, you know, need to make a living with their face in front of the camera, but in the part of the country and all parts of the country where looking good is so important, they flock to Dr. Will Kirby. But you take time out of your busy schedule to come to QVC with Neutrogena Dermatologics, which was really formulated just for us. Thank you so much. And it's not the Neutrogena maybe we remember seeing on a shelf.
That's right.
This is very special.
This is the professional level division, and what that means is we bring you solutions in conjunction with scientists and dermatologists, professional level solutions, cutting edge technology.
Well, this is the first ever Neutrogena Dermatologic Today's Special Value, and what I'm holding in my hand, 175,000 people have picked up and loved. It actually is the Customer Choice Beauty Award winner for Best Anti-Aging Serum in 2011. And I say that because we have really the powerhouse names that you can find in all the best beauty places to shop here at QVC with this product. And Customer Choice Beauty Award winner, this alone is $77. The entire Today's Special Value is only $99.96. But we have some really dramatic before and afters that we want to show you on this regimen.
Absolutely. I'd love to bring those up. Let's talk about this before and after. And keep in mind, this is a treatment. What we're trying to do is get your skin so clear that you might not even you might not even need makeup. This is a woman who does not have one stitch of makeup. Overall, what do you see? You see clinical improvement. You see improved luminosity. But when you get really specific, let's talk about that area above the brow where you see photo aging. Let's talk about the cheek. You see photo aging significantly improved after just 8 weeks. In fact, 92% of users showed improvement in fine lines, and you can really tell how those lines have been softened. Smoother skin, softer skin, more subtle fine lines is what you see after those 8 weeks. But maybe we could even go a little closer on the eyes. Thank you. If you look underneath the eye, the thinnest skin on the entire human body, the area most prone to the signs of aging, those fine lines are so much softer around that eye area. And like I said, 92% of users after 8 weeks showed improvement in the fine lines on the face.
And I open by saying there is every article, every expert talks about the importance of retinol. Why do we need retinol?
Retinol is the gold standard anti-aging ingredient, and it is the purest form of vitamin A. Very specifically, what does it do? It increases surface cell turnover. And as a child, you have very efficient surface cell turnover, but as an adult, that process slows down and you don't age as well. What we want to do is reverse those signs, the signs of damage, the signs of aging, photo aging, via the proper technology. And the great thing about this, too, is you're getting the serum that is, like you said, Customer Choice Award, best anti-aging treatment. So you can take my opinion as a board-certified dermatologist. You can look in the medical literature and look at thousands and thousands what publications show as the best anti-aging ingredient. But you can also, which I think is the best, is ask your peers. And they voted for it, and that's why it's so popular.
We even have some quotes as we see beautiful Stacy applying it to her gorgeous skin. We have this on auto delivery. And I always say with the Today's Special Value, even if you're new, go to auto delivery. If you decide you don't want it, you can cancel. But in 3 weeks, if people are starting to compliment you on your skin, you can't come back to QVC and say, can I get that value of the day price? And could you give me those 3 easy payments? I mean, we love our customers, but that is one thing we cannot do is go backwards in time. This is a 90-day supply. So last time I checked, that's about $1 a day for this
extremely
effective,
reasonable,
amazing product, which we only started with half of it. We've got the other product to talk about in a moment, but I wanted to take you to QVC.com. This is what our customers are saying. I've tried a variety of lotions and serums over the years, but this one blew me away. Wow, it's smooth, non-greasy, and light. I use this for my 11s and laugh lines. Nothing else works. My 11s were becoming pretty deep, but far less noticeable, and they stay that way as long as I use this at least once a day. I definitely recommend it. I've been using this for about 10 days, and I couldn't be more pleased. So, Dr. Kirby, when and how do I use this award-winning, beloved serum?
So simple. Thin layer every single night to the entire face. And I'll tell you how the other product got formulated is our consumers, our patients started contacting us and saying, hey, can I use this on my hands? Can I use this on my neck? Can I use this on my chest area, the décolleté area? And because those are areas that have been very, very neglected over time, people traditionally have taken great care of their face, but your skin doesn't just stop at your face. Why stop at the edge of your neck? It continues down to your chest, your hands, your upper neck area. So what we did is we have the same concentrated, patented, stabilized retinol, but it's in a more luxurious formulation.
You can feel
and
it.
once again, this is not a hand cream. This is a treatment. It improves. It gives you improvement in luminosity, smoother skin, softer skin, more supple skin. Specifically, I love statistics. 97% of users, nearly everyone in their study, after 8 weeks showed improvement in the lines in the neck.
Wow. And then think about the value, because the best-selling award-winning serum, which is only here at QVC, and like I said, we've got the powerhouse names in the business. This won the award.
Of course.
So, and you've got a bottom of the jar. Unconditional money-back guarantee. This is the super size. This is the 90-day supply. That alone is $77 if you go, or $79 if you go to QVC.com. The hand, the neck, and the décolleté, that's $77. So you're at $156 by going to QVC.com and getting this award-winning bestsellers. Or you save down to our today's special value price, which is $99.96.
It's incredible.
Locking into that by staying in our auto delivery plan, which comes to you every 90 days on 3 easy payments of $33 and change. That's $1 a day. And think about, too, if I have a line that I really, really love, can I incorporate these 2 steps into a regimen that I'm already really comfortable with and I really like?
100%, unequivocally. Now, I always tell people, if you're not in the anti-aging market and you don't know how to begin that fight, this is the single best way to do it with a stabilized retinol technology. And the beauty of this is it's not just face, it's hands, neck, and chest. So you're treating multiple areas. But like you said, if you already have a product line and you love it, wonderful. But you should absolutely be using a stabilized retinol product. And this should be the first thing that comes in contact with your skin, because it's not a cover-up. It is a treatment.
And if you've only been treating from the neck up, we've got another before and after that I think is going to make you say, I think I should give this a try.
Yeah, I just love this shot. If you take a look at those lines on the neck, look right in the middle of the neck there, on the left side, on the before side, they're very deep, and on the right, they're significantly softer, and we're talking just 8 weeks. It took 60 years to build up that damage, yet you see an improvement in luminosity in just 8 weeks. So what we're talking about decades to develop, you can get improvement in just a few weeks.
And is it ever too soon to start, Dr. Kirby?
I tell people I like them to start with retinols as early as 18.
Wow.
Usually people really start worrying about the skin. I wish they worried earlier, but they usually don't start worrying about it until the late 30s, early 40s. And that's still, there's tons and tons and tons of time to improve it. And that's really a time people really embrace it.
It's almost like exercise, though. Probably never too late, right?
Yes, it's never too late. Now, something people say, and I'm glad you brought up exercise, is much in the same way, you have to be regimented with this. Tiny little bit every single night. It's really simple. But much in the same way you go to the gym every single day, you use this every single night. You brush your teeth to prevent cavities. You use this to protect the largest organ on your entire body, which is your skin. And I think it's the most beautiful organ.
And if I have, let's say, a night cream that I love, I can put that right on top.
100%.
First.
Absolutely.
And if you've got great skin and you're saying, you know what, I'm not using anything right now, give this a try. 10,600 ordered since midnight last night. What we have are 2 bestsellers never before seen is a today's special value with Neutrogena Dermatologics that's only here at QVC. And the concentrated retinol serum alone, that's $79. That product has won Customer Choice Beauty Award. That's the award that's right here. And also 175,000 bottles have gone out the door. All those people didn't get a chance to have kind of like throwing the hand, neck, and décolleté in for, oh, I don't know, about $20 more, when usually this is $77 at QVC.com. The value here is incredible, and you can lock into that amazing one-day-only value and the easy pay thanks to auto delivery, which we highly recommend, because like exercise and brushing our teeth, skincare is every day. Let's take, again, look at some of these quotes that made this customer top rated at QVC.com. I've had a variety of lotions and serums over the years, but this one blew me away. Wow, this is smooth, non-greasy, and light. I use this for my 11s and laugh lines. Nothing else works. They were becoming pretty deep, but now far less noticeable. Next one says, I've been using this for about 10 days, and I couldn't be more pleased. So why is retinol so important, and why is this product really built on this stabilized retinol?
Stabilized retinol is what every dermatologist hangs their hat on. And by that I mean it is the gold standard anti-aging ingredient. It should be the first thing that comes in contact with your skin every single night. It is a treatment, and over and over and over, studies and dermatologists alike absolutely embrace this product. And once again, if you don't take my word for it, please, customer choice, best anti-aging treatment of 2011.
How about a picture worth 1,000 words?
Let's take a look. I mean, look, right there. This customer, she was so thrilled to be in the study. After 8 weeks, she was just raving about the results she got. And those results, I should mention, are going to continue to improve over time.
Right.
And it is a treatment. It's not a cover-up. And that's why we talk about the results here. Look how smooth her skin is. My son is 2 years old. If you touch his face, it is so incredibly smooth. And that's what we all want to gain again. We want to increase that surface cell turnover, make that turnover become very, very efficient so that it translates into a beauty message.
Okay, now
and you
we're
can
close
see
up,
right here.
and I can work it right under the eye?
Absolutely. It is dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested. Common sense caution, you don't want to put it in the eye as with any beauty product, but you can go right up to the edge of your eye. And what does it give you? Smoother skin, softer skin, more supple skin. 92% of users in just 8 weeks noticed improvement in the fine lines on the face.
And here at QVC, you've got a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. So you get it home. If you're not happy in 29 days, you pack it up, you send it back. Everybody in the family could use it. The bottle could be empty. We are not going to complain. But I'm excited that Neutrogena Dermatologics, which chose QVC to really be the one and only home, you guys have loved this. We brought in our first ever today's special value. We're busy on the phone line, so automated ordering, QVC.com. And I know we're going to see you back in Tuesday Night Beauty.
Absolutely. Thank you so
Pleasure.
much. Always
Thank
a
you.
pleasure.